Hey guys, Johnny here from Simple Cookery, and Christmas is coming up, so today we are going to be making some crispy golden roast potatoes. Coming up. So this is one of your classic Christmas staples. Everyone has to have some roast potatoes over their Christmas lunch or Christmas dinner. So today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to make them really nice and crispy and golden brown. So it all starts off with getting some potatoes. Try use some that have quite a high starch content. And then with the potatoes, we're going to be using some rosemary, some butter, and some garlic. Really, really simple, but I'm going to show you some steps to get that really nice crispy texture. Let's go. First step is to peel your potatoes. And once they're peeled, we're going to bring them over to the sink and give them a thorough clean. Once your potatoes are clean, we're just going to chop these up into small little chunks. This is the rough size you're looking for. Once your potatoes are all chopped up, we're going to transfer these into a big pot and then fill up the pot with water until the potatoes are covered. Transfer your pot over to a stove and bring the water up to a boil. Once the water reaches boiling point, cook the potatoes for 10 minutes. This process is really important to soften the potatoes before they go into the oven. Whilst the potatoes are boiling, I'm just going to get started with the other ingredients we're going to need to bake the potatoes, and that is 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to chop this up into little cubes so that we can evenly distribute the butter across the tray. And then with a bulb of garlic, just separate the bulb into individual cloves and give them a gentle smash with your knife. You don't need to take the skin off because once we roast them, all the beautiful garlic aroma is going to be released from the oven. Once the potatoes are cooked, take the pot off the stove and drain your potatoes over a colander. Oh, it's getting a bit steamy. Now we're going to let the potatoes just sit there and steam for about 1 to 2 minutes. Letting all that steam out is really going to help dry out the potatoes and give it that really fluffy texture that we're going to be looking for. Whilst that's steaming, I'm just going to get a tray and then generously drizzle some oil into the tray with our garlic cloves. Okay, so with this fluffing, this is the key step to getting fluffy and crispy roast potatoes. What you want to do is use a metal colander because this really helps with the fluffing process. You just want to vigorously throw the potatoes against the metal colander and up in the air. And what you'll see is because we've boiled these potatoes just the right amount, the sides of the potatoes should start breaking apart and fluffing up. What you're looking for is exactly those bruised and battered edges, because that is what's going to give us that golden crust on the outside once these are in the oven and cooked. So we're just going to transfer these potatoes onto our baking tray, spread over our butter that we prepared earlier, and then we're going to go in with some rosemary. You can use any sort of herbs here as well. You can use some thyme, some sage is really beautiful as well. Any sort of herbs, you can add them in, but I really like thyme. So now we're just going to pop these potatoes in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After about half an hour, you just want to take the potatoes out, give them a bit of a wiggle, and then flip them over a bit so that both sides of the potato gets contact with the heat from the oven. Pop them back in the oven for another half an hour. After about an hour, our roast potatoes are finished, so let's take these out, and these are looking absolutely gorgeous. And if you see here, that's kind of the texture and color that we're looking for. Beautiful golden brown and nice and crispy. And there we go, guys. Your Christmas roast potatoes sorted. Enjoy. All right, roast potatoes, guys. Wow, look at these. It's crispy.
Yeah, it feels very crunchy as well, eh?
Let's bite into it.
So what are the spoons for? I mean, it's just gonna It's like chips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crispy exterior, fluffy interior. It's nice, eh?
Pretty nice.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. As I said before, we're gonna be uploading some more Christmas recipes this month to get you guys prepared for the big day. And if you like this recipe, drop a comment down below and give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us in the YouTube algorithm. It's free as well. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see the next episode on Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you guys get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, guys, we're out. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.